Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be setting up our health spreads for the next week in February. And I've got these sticker sheets ready to go, as well as some washi tape options and these sticker books which I pulled from. Okay, so this week I decided to do a lemony fresh spread, and basically I had pulled this focus box, which is one of 4 that I have available to me in that Planner Babe accessory pack at the top. And I've been using that all month, so I have that one, and then I have a pink one next week ready to go, and that'll be my last one for the month. I like to use the same focus boxes and sidebars each week for the month, just because it's kind of what I like to do. So just to add some consistency, and gave me the idea for a yellow and black spread. I was going to do yellow and orange, but I thought it was just going to be a little bit too much. So I think yellow and black just always looks good together, and I just wanted something bright and fun, hopefully to help motivate me to get back on track health-wise. So I'm going to lay in some washi tape down here at the bottom. I'm currently doing a detox and I'm not tracking my calories, so I'm not going to bother using that area in my food log. And then I am putting in my stat stickers, as I like to do. I had 5 in the yellow lined version, and then I had to fill in with a couple of other non-yellow ones. So I'm putting those 2 on the one close to the spine and the one on Monday in the very end to minimize how noticeable it is. And now I'm setting up my rest day sticker. And we'll go ahead and start laying in my workout tracking stickers. I normally do 1 to 2 types of workouts each day, so I'm just laying that in my normal fashion, going along with my normal routine, so that I can fill that in as I go throughout the week. Okay. I end up actually removing the plus sign washi from the focus box. Now I'm laying in the goal section of the spread, and this is where I like to put in the decor items for the overall look and feel of the layout. I just trimmed off those green leaves because I didn't want to introduce that color into the spread. So I just trimmed it off and have the lemon kind of coming in from the side. And of course I realized that I meant to white out the black line so it looked a little bit more cohesive, and stuck down that floral sticker before I got a chance. It will not be coming up. So I'm just gonna fake it till I make it, and I really did try, but I was like, no. It's not coming up. I found this quote that I thought went perfectly with this lemony fresh spread. This was in the Colorful Boxes sticker book, the one with the florals that you also see there. I think it was the 3rd version. I'm going to put those in there, but just trying to figure out how I want it to be laid in. Going to try and add a little bit more yellow in there. I also pulled these stickers from the Supermom sticker book, which had this similar handwriting as the Colorful Boxes quote that I pulled. And the idea there was just the song Work, Work, Work. You know what I mean? Like Rihanna's Work, 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 Work. I can't sing right now. My throat is totally not good from the asthma, so I'll just spare you the attempt at singing that song. But anyway, so that's what I had in my mind, because I'm hoping that I'll be back to working out like I used to by the time this week appears. And so anyway, I'm gonna do a little something with those work stickers. And I wanted to add in this like slice of lemon, but I trimmed it and then I didn't like it. And then I tried to add it and put it back together, and it had pulled up a little bit of paper and it just did not want to come off. But I shoved it in there anyway to see if I could make it work. So that's where it is. And then just kind of filling in some more florals where I can, just to fill it out a bit. Yeah, and here's where I kind of pull up the plus signs. Just didn't like that for some reason. Now I think I am going to add in that little tidbit I mentioned before, make me think of the song. Adding in some musical notes using my Friction fine liner pen. And then I added in those lines, and that didn't really give me the feels that I wanted, so I can erase, woohoo! And I'm going to go back and maybe try some dots and see how that looks. Also pulled some hearts I thought would be cute to add in here. What else? What else? Oh yeah, and then I remembered I was going to add in these little triangles for my food log. I pulled only one because they hardly stick to the sticker sheet, so I knew if I pulled them all, I would lose half of them before I even started the video. And so I am grabbing them directly off the page. I think the little addition of black here is going to help add to the spread. Because I debated whether or not to add them in, because I was like, oh, this is kind of tedious and annoying, but I think in the end it did add some visual appeal to the spread overall. I eat a pretty light breakfast. I basically just drink, lately it's been tea. I used to drink coffee, but I'm trying to lower my intake of coffee, so I've been changing it out for black tea lately. I'm going to go ahead and set it up to add that in, but it doesn't need that much room. And then really lunch and dinner is where I have a majority of my food. Okay, so those are in, and then I'm going to write in my habit trackers, and that will be it, friends. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up down below, and go ahead and leave me a comment if you'd like to get in touch. And think about subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, if you'd like to see more of my videos. Thanks so much for watching, I really appreciate it, and we'll see you next time. Bye!